Passport design features of India. Early passports. The oldest passport still in existence was issued on 18th June 1641, which was signed by England's King Charles I. The first modern style British passports were available in 1915. They included a photograph and a signature and consisted of a single piece of paper that folded out and sat between the cardboard covers. What are the aesthetics for and around the world passport features we're going to discuss now? The modern passport design. In an antique passport photos, people were seen posing in their gardens or in a seaside with newspapers and musical instruments. In 1920s, several standards were adopted by the League of Nations. Among its standards were pagination, use of at least two languages, and a cover bearing the nation's name at the top, its coat of arms in the center, and word passport at the bottom. The passport palette. What do the colors mean? Most of the world's passport are three colors: red, blue, or green. It's generally accepted that blue passports are favored by the New World countries. Red refers to the communist past or present, and green often indicates Islamic nations. A local touch. Within their covers, passports try to convey more of a local representation with noteworthy citizens and natural wonders embedded on pages. Australian passports carry holographic style images showing kangaroos that appear to be floating or sinking from different viewing angles. Elaborate pages to avoid forgery. The design features of the modern passport are also for security, like the biometric chip, which began to be added globally, because of which a new symbol appeared on the jacket of any passport which had one. The lotus symbol on Indian passport was added as a part of enhanced security features. Hidden representation. On Canadian passports, the holographic images are embossed in a thin film laminate. Due to the presence of optically variable ink, it changes the color under different lighting. Similarly, the pages of the Norwegian passport reveal the northern lights and put under the UV light. Some noteworthy examples. The UK's inner pages include line drawings of several famous artists and Shakespeare's head as a watermark on each page. Created by the Hokusai, Japan's new passport features 36 views of Mount Fuji series printed on the pages as an anti-forgery measure. Thank you.